You did it! It's in my mouth! You did it! Mom, she did it! Alright, want to try it again? Alright. You hit Daddy in the head. Alright, try it one more time. Come on. You did it! Oh my God! You did it. Oh, Mom.
I'm recording.
Oh, Paul. Oh, oh, man. Why didn't you tell me? I look like an idiot. Let's try another piece of popcorn.
Oh, now I see.
Over here. Hold on. Try one more piece.
Stay back.
Right there. There we go. Oh my God!
I got the weed.
You got it in my mouth. Alright, try one more time. Right. Ow! What are you doing? Alright. You're making Daddy laugh. Wait. Come on, Troy. Jimmy, Alright, hold on. Stop it. Okay. Will you throw it? Try to get Daddy. Alright, I'm ready. I want the popcorn. Oh, oh. Oh, you're an angel. What? Oh, man. I got a headache from laughing. I can't do it. Wait, no. Well, then why'd you put that in the bowl?
Yeah, I got this one.
Last time, okay? What's up with you with that laughing? Oh, oh, careful. You want to try? Right, come on. Oh, okay, are we done?
No, we're not yet.
Can you throw it?
Yeah.
Well, stop picking your ear. That's kind of gross because you're picking on popcorn for Dad.
Here, do it to me.
Okay. I did it! I did it! Well, let me try one. Let me try one. All right, you ready? Okay. Right, Dad. You ready? Oh my God! What did I get? What did I get? Oh, yes, that. Yeah. You ready? Here you go. Open up. Ow! Oh my God! Okay, I'll take it your nose.
Okay, guys, time to say goodbye.
Oh, wait. I love you, Mom.
I love you, Mom.
Love you, Mom.
Hey, try to do that.